Hello, I'm Theo from the Robotics and Biology Laboratory of the TU Berlin. Today we present to you a novel sensing approach for universal jamming grippers. Universal jamming grippers can easily grasp unknown objects as shown in the video. First, the gripper approaches the object. When it comes into contact, the gripper's soft membrane filled with a granular medium conforms to the object. Then the gripper stiffens under vacuum and the object can be lifted. When the vacuum is released, the gripper loosens again and the object is released. Sensors are important because they help in navigating unknown environments. Sensors must preserve the gripper's compliance because compliance is the enabling mechanism behind the gripper's good grasping capabilities. However, installing traditional, rigid, tactile sensors on the soft membrane would harm the gripper's compliance. Acoustic sensing offers a solution. Acoustic sensing fully preserves the gripper's compliance and grasping performance. On the right, you see the schematic of the sensorized gripper. We equip the gripper inside with a microphone and speaker, leaving the compliant parts of the gripper untouched. To reconstruct the physical properties of the object, the speaker emits a sound while in contact with the object. The sound is modulated by the object's properties and the microphone records the modulated sound. Using machine learning on the recordings, we can reconstruct these objects' physical properties. All parts of the gripper are cheaply available for under $100 and can be installed into existing grippers. Our sensor achieves a small error of 2.6 mm while estimating the size of the enclosed object. The sensor can also classify the object's material with up to 100% accuracy. Furthermore, we achieved 84% accuracy in classifying 16 different everyday objects shown on the left. And we do all this with 20 or less data points per object. Finally, we show the capabilities of sensors in a realistic object sorting task. But see it for yourself. As you can see in the video, our robot touches the object, infers its class from sound alone, and then sorts the object into the corresponding bin. After all objects were sorted, a human places the objects in a random order again, and the robot arm equipped with our sensor continues to sort the object into the corresponding bin. The robot uninterruptedly sorts objects for 53 minutes and stops at the end because the confidence threshold of 60% is not reached. If you're now interested in acoustic sensing for universal jamming grippers, visit our paper page, which contains our paper, the code and additional results. Thank you.